have a is equal to we write the coefficient of this number. X square coefficient is not, so we have x coefficient is 1, so x square a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 8 and c equal to 50. Okay, we have now putting these value in this formula, we get x is equal minus b. Here we have b is minus 8, which is minus into minus 8. This minus is formula and this b value of minus 8, so we write here minus 8 minus b plus minus under the root b square. What is b square? B is minus 8 square minus 4 into a, what is 1, and c, what is 15. So we have divided by 2a. 2 into a, what is 1. 2 into 1, here we have x is equal to minus minus plus, we have plus 8, we have plus 8 plus minus under the root minus 8 square is equal to 64 minus 4 50s are what is 60. Okay, divided by 2 into 1 2, which is equal to x is equal to 8 plus minus under the root 64 minus 60, what is, we have 4 only divided by 2. Now x is equal to plus 8 plus minus, we should write, we can write 4 as a 2 square. 2 square, square and root cancel out to each other, we have only 2. X equal to plus 8 plus minus and root and cancel out, so we have only here is 2 divided by 2. Now here we can write this as x is equal to 8 plus 2 divided by 2. We have x equal, here we can common 2, here we can common or here we can common or we divided by 2, so we have 2 16s are 18 and plus 1 2 is 2 divided by 2. We have x is equal to 16 plus 2 18 divided by 2, so 18 2 1 2 is 2 2 9s are 18, so x is equal to 9. Now we have also x equal to 8 minus 2 by 2, so we have have write this number as x equal to 8s are 16 minus 2 divided by 2. We have x equal to 16 minus 2, which is 4 divided by 2. This means that x equal to 1 is 2, 2 7s are 14 and s equal to 7. So our two solutions are by quadratic formula. What are x equal to plus 9, x equal to plus 7. This is our final answer by done the quadratic formula. Now we have question number 2, that is x square minus 2x minus 4. We solve this question by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We have x equal to minus b, here minus b is minus 2, we have minus into minus 2 plus minus under the root b square. What is b square? B square is minus 2, we have 2 square minus 4 into a what is 1 and c what is minus 4 divided by 2 into a, what is a is 1. We write these a b and c values from this, a values from the coefficient of x square, b value from the coefficient of 2x and c value from the constant. So here we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 4. Okay, now we have x equal to minus minus plus plus 2 plus minus under the root minus 2 square, 4 minus minus plus, 4 4s are 16 divided by 2, 1 is 2. We have x equal to plus 2 plus minus under the root 4 plus 16, 20 divided by 2. We have x is equal to 2 plus minus under the root 20 divided by 2. And now we can write this number in the form of x is equal to 2 plus under the root 20 divided by 2, and now x is equal to 2 minus under the root 20 divided by 2. Now solve these questions by, what are the question? X equal to 2 plus under root 20, x equal to 2 plus under root 20 divided by 2, and x is equal to 2 minus under root 20 divided by 2. Now we have the values, we can find the values of x. Here we have x is equal to 2 plus, we can write this number as 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, and also x is equal to 2 minus under the root 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. We have x is equal to 2 plus 2 2s are 4, so 2 is outside to the root divided by 2, and also 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 under the root 5 divided by 2. Now we have x is equal to, here we can common to 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2, and here we can also 2 is common to 1 minus under the root 5 divided by 2. Here 2 2 are cancelled to each other. X is equal to 1 plus under root 5, and also x is equal to 1 minus under root 5. So we have two solution of x. One is 1 plus under root 5, and other is 1 minus under root 5, the values of x. So we have solution set of x values which are 1 plus under root 5 and 1 minus under root 5. This is our answer.